Good afternoon. So I am out here in Arcadia. It's a beautiful location out here in Phoenix, Arizona. Great area. You're centrally located, everything super close to Paradise Valley, Scottsdale Fashion Center. All the fun, most desirable things out here in Arizona are located minutes away. So if you're in the market to buy or sell, or you have questions on what the market looks like right now, please reach out. And if you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, follow. Now come take a look at this gorgeous home. And good afternoon. So we are out here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona, getting ready to do a home tour of this gorgeous property. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, around 3,100 square feet on a corner lot. Lot is over 12,000 square feet. It is a great home, great location, super cute property, and I'm excited to take you through to kind of see what your thoughts are on this one. When you get a chance, comment below what feature did you love about this home. Do you have questions? Did you want to see this property? Is this a home that checks all the boxes that could work for you? If you're out of state, we can do this virtually. We do specialize in relocation, and if you're in state, we can set up that buyer consultation and get you into this home so you can see if this is the right fit for you. So again, this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, built, believe it or not, in 1957. You are in the Arcadia area, very desirable area, great little nook out here, super close to everything. You're kind of in the lower part of Arcadia, so you have a lot of walkable neighborhoods over here, lots of historic charm. You're minutes to the canal, so if you like to bike, to run, all that fun stuff can be done pretty close by. You do have access to Camelback Mountain, Papago Park. There's also a botanical garden out here too. So there's always something to do in this particular area. Little places you want to try to eat would be that Vig. The Vig in Arcadia is amazing. The Henry's one of my favorites. And of course there's others. There's the Attic Ale House. There's a little something for everyone, no matter what your desires, taste, or needs would be. This home's been fully upgraded. Again, you're on a corner lot, lots of modern updates, tastefully done. They have this adorable porch up here. So it's a pretty good sized front porch area. And this would be your view. Not too shabby, not too shabby. All right, so we're gonna head on in. Again, this is a corner lot. You have lots of mature trees, plants. Pretty move-in ready home. Awesome. So this property has been completely remodeled. It is move-in ready and absolutely gorgeous. So as we walk in, you're going to have the kitchen right here to your left, and it is super open and spacious. It opens right up to that dining area, that family room. It is a pretty open floor plan. You have a lot of natural light in here. So this one does feature a very large island. Beautiful countertops. You have gas in the kitchen and stainless steel appliances. This is your island this way, and you do have a lot of drawers over here. And again, home has been completely updated. It is move-in ready and absolutely beautiful. You have a formal living dining space right here. Opens up to your family room. You can do the outdoor, indoor, in. You have multiple sliders in the family room. And again, very spacious. These beautiful hardwood floors are throughout. Lots of natural light. Vaulted ceilings. Lots of check marks on this one. So pretty neutral tones. You have the pretty off-white and brown kitchen cabinets. And the accents in there are kind of a champagne brush gold. So not too bright. And that front door is beautiful. It has that super cute farm look, which matches the aesthetic on the exterior so nicely. And again, this home is a great property out here in Arcadia, Arizona. If you're in the market to buy a home, trying to find the right one, this could be the one for you. All right, so this right here is a little ensuite. You got a very large bedroom in the front of the house. All the windows have great views too, so you can't go wrong with the views. And you have your own bathroom right here, which is nice. So walk-in shower, tiled floors. Again, very neutral palette. Nothing you really have to do here. You have another bedroom right here, so this will be bedroom number 2. And again, natural light is wonderful. And then we have this back bedroom over here, so this will be bedroom number 3. And this is a pretty good size room. It's very private. So 3 bedrooms on this side, and then you will have your primary on the other. So great split floor plan for privacy. This home is wonderful. They smooth the walls. Everything's freshly painted. Come out this way to your beautiful kitchen. And then we'll head down this hallway. And this will bring you into your primary suite. So lots of privacy on this one. It's a great single story. So in Arizona, we have mostly single story and 2-story homes. You do find homes with basements every once in a blue moon. But typically this is what you get, so it's nice when it's a little bit larger floor plan. So when you get into 2,600 square feet and larger, you do have a lot bigger bedrooms, more storage, larger bathrooms, just things to think about when you're looking to buy a home out here. Also, if this was the home for you right here, we could negotiate and get it in, so you could possibly move in by Thanksgiving. Depending on when you watch this video, of course. But yeah, we do pretty quick closings in Arizona. Seeing we use title companies, and our lenders, the lender that we work with works 7 days a week. So we can do closings in as little as 11 days. It's pretty typical for us to do fast closings when needed. So yeah, you could definitely move into this home if this is something that interests you. You want more details. I can email you over whatever you need when it comes to purchasing a home out here. If you're in state, we can set up an in-person meeting. If you're out of state, pretty easy. We just set up a Zoom. Gotta love technology. And then look at this laundry room. This is great. So a lot of storage in here. And you have the sink, the little bench right there, so you can keep all your shoes, which is great. Washer and dryer. So they thought about everything. Spacing's done, and this is your little half bath right here. Again, great home, great location. Gonna head out back. So after being wowed by this inside, wait till you see the outside. So you have a large covered patio out here, along with a great pool, low maintenance backyard, and you have built-in barbecue. So again, everything's been thought of. Pretty easy to pack your stuff and move in. So lots of wood features here. And then this home does have that RV gate on the other side. So if you want to put a boat or a small camper, car, trailer, you can typically put it behind the fence. As long as there's no HOA involved, you're usually pretty safe. So right here, you have this great parking space with the gate. All right, well, thank you so much for touring this home with me. If this is a home that you would like to see, or if you have questions, comment more info below. We will get you over what you're looking for. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day. We appreciate you coming through this amazing home tour with us. Hope you have an awesome day.